you very much. Thank you very much. It is great to be here. It's great to be here on Champions tonight. On Champions tonight at Wembley. At Wembley. Are you copying me? Are you copying me? Oh, don't start all this. Oh, don't start all this. It's so annoying. So annoying. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. You know, he always does this. You know, he always does this. He will stop. Eventually. What's got into you tonight? Your hand. Look, don't ruin this for me. Look, we're in front of the judges. Look, there's Simon. Yeah, there's Simon. He's alive. He's alert. He's a legend. There's Amanda. There's Amanda. She's cool. She's calm. She's collected. There's Alicia. There's Alicia. She's wise. She's witty. She's wonderful. And there's David. Yes. And there's David. What? Don't laugh. I can't talk when you laugh. And if I didn't talk, there wouldn't be any laughs. Oh, I beg to differ. Oh, I beg to differ. You know, I don't need you. No? No. I think I could be funny without a puppet. You're not funny with a puppet. That's it, you're going in there. Make me. What? Make me. What? Make me. OK. No, hang on. What? David looks quite handsome this way up. That's it, you're going in there. No, no, please, no, please. Please, no, Zoran, please, come on. You're making me look stupid. Like you need help. I'm sorry about that. Please let me come back out. No. Don't stop. Please let me come... No. Please. No. Listen, if you don't let me come back out, you're gonna get it. What's that supposed to mean? It's a threat. Oh, I'm really scared. You will be. You know, I don't need a puppet to be a ventriloquist. No. No. All I need is one of these. What's that? It's a microphone. Do you know what I'm going to do with this? I know what I'd like you to do with it. I'm going to do my jokes. Oh, be careful. Excuse me? Well, it's not as easy as I'll make it look. You what? In comedy, there's certain things you can't talk about. You've got to be politically correct. Politically correct? I know what I'm doing. Right. There are these two Irishmen. No. Excuse me? Well, you can't say that. What, why not? Racist. Racist, all right. My mother-in-law. Now, there's a... No. What? Sexist. All right. This big fat bloke. Sizist. My grandmother. Ageist. David Copperfield. Illusionist. It's funny, isn't it? Look, you're ruining this. Pessimist. This whole thing is going downhill fast. Tobogganist. Why don't you get stuffed? Taxidermist. You're on fire tonight. Arsonist. So no jokes then. What am I going to do? Ventriloquist. You've always got to have the last word, haven't you? No. There you go again. Anyway, why is it always what you want? What do you mean? Never what I want. Well, what do you want? You know what I want, Paul. I want to become a real boy. Sam, we've been through this. That's never going to happen. Look, we'll talk about this when we're alone. You're going to talk to me when we're alone? And how long have you been single? Dreams can come true. Don't you believe in magic? No, Sam, I don't. Frankly, no one is going to come along, wave their arms in the air and say, "You've always lived your life as a toy. From this day forth, you'll become a real boy." That was weird. Paul? Yeah? I think you better take a look.
No way. What?
Come true. Look, Sam, you're a real live boy. Shut it. Ow. all from me. Good night.
Guys, give it up for my good buddy, Foster. Ready, buddy? Yeah, here we go. Woo. Hello. Here we are, buddy, AGT. My cloud is working.
What's your plan?
Well, basically, I used you to smuggle me out here, and now I'm gonna show my talent.
He's funny.
So cute.
What's your talent?
Ventriloquism.
That's what I'm doing right now.
Really?
Yes. You think you're a better ventriloquist than me? You think you could talk without moving your lips?
Well, I don't have any, so yeah.
Okay. Let's see who's the better ventriloquist by doing some tongue twisters. I'll start by saying Sally sells seashells by the seashore, and then you go after. Okay. Sally sells Sally, come on, okay. Sally,
It's like this. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Sally sells seashells by the seashore. Can you do that without moving your mouth?
no, I can't.
I love him.
I'm gonna do something I said I would never do. You wouldn't.
I would.
Please. No.
I'm gonna throw your voice.
What? What?
Wow. I threw your voice, it's gone. It's gone, it's over there. Wait, listen, I think I hear it coming back.
What? I have your voice. And that means
I have your voice. Simon,
Yes.
help me.
Here, come here. Oh, that's better. Here, give it up for Foster, everybody. Yeah.
Wow, the judges are on their feet.
Say hello, Chuck.
Hello, Chuck.
No, I mean say hello as in say hello to the audience.
No, I mean say hello as in say hello to the audience.
It's good, isn't he? Yeah.
I suppose you find that funny.
Yeah, I'm a Canadian hen.
Terrible.
You said it.
It's all about having a laugh, isn't it? Where would you be without a laugh, eh, Chuck?
Sat in David's seat.
My friend Chuck here is very clever. So, Chuck, I'd like to hear you say, Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked.
So would I.
I like these two. They're good.
You're such a good friend.
Thanks, Chuck.
Here's a kiss.
Stop it. Like the wallpaper sticks to the wall.
Like the seashore clings to the sea. Like you'll never get rid of your shadow.
Chuck, you'll never get rid of me. Before we get finished, we'll make the town roar.
Oh yeah,
We'll make all the late spots and then a few more.
come on.
We'll wind up with Jilly's right at the shore.
Life is gonna be a rewind so light, shadow, and
Look out, little Chucky is back.
yeah.
Thank you very much. Yay! Careful, you're going to lose my voices. Oh, I got the royal card! No. Arthur, what? We got the wild card. What's it got to do with you? I make you talk. I made you famous. Listen, I'm a ventriloquist. What's that? Hi there, chickadee China, the Chinese chicken. You had the gun sticking your doing something. Take it away, take it away, take it away. Now go. See ya, see ya, see ya, see ya. He's a little weird, isn't he? So you're a hypnotist? No, a hypnotist puts people to sleep. So you missed Amanda this week? Yeah, I didn't think I was going to see you again, but you know what? She didn't call on me this week. What's Amanda been calling you? HD. HD, is that because we're on television and you're in high definition? No, it's because I'm a hot dummy. Oh, get in there. No, what are you doing? Stop it. Let me out. Stop it. Let me out. No. Let Amanda in. Watch me wreck the night. Watch me wreck the night. Watch me wreck the night. Psycho. Simon. Oh, not you. I thought I sent you home. Well, I've not finished my act yet, you see. You're a sensation with the ladies all over the world. Yes, I am. Just tell me, can you let me in on your little secret? Well, I speak different languages. Really? Can you speak Spanish? Can you? No. How am I going to do it then? I'll tell you what. I'm going to count to 10 in English and then you translate. OK, let's see what you got. 1, uno, 2, dos, 3, hang on. What? This isn't going to work. Why not? You're going to count to 10. Yes. How do I know when you get to 6? Is this going to hurt? No. Forget it. Amanda! Shut up, Louis. That's not Louis. No. It looks just like him. No, it's not him. Amanda, I got the oil ready. OK. Simon, I'm a celebrity. Get me out of here. Anita. Oh, Simon. Listen to me. Yes. You two are always together. That's because we go together so well. Oh. We go together like da-da-da-ding-a-dong. Together forever. Shoot-on-shoot-on-y-waddy, da-da-da-ding-a-dong. Ching-ching-ching-ching-ching-ching-ching. We'll always be as one. Whoa, 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 whoa. And it's a big fat kiss. Unbelievable.
I need help from a couple of people. Any volunteers? Would you please help me welcome to stage David and Amanda? Please join me on stage. David and Amanda.
Hooray!
Woo. Hey, Amanda, thank you. You just face this way, guys. And I'll just stick this around your chops, Amanda.
Watch there. Watch there.
Oh, wow. It's just a beautiful fit. Would you both like to turn around?
This is amazing! I look gorgeous!
You really look lovely, Amanda. You are jaw-dropping.
So, do you have any hobbies?
I've got hobbies.
You've got hobbies, David?
Yeah.
Would you like to do them?
I like skidding.
Would you like to do some skipping here tonight, David?
I'd love to. Whee!
And actually, in fact, Amanda, we got some skipping music.
Really?
Yeah.
Hit the skipping music. Go on, David. La 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 la.
David and Amanda!
That was amazing. I've got another hobby.
What's your other hobby, David?
I like ballet dancing.
Really?
I love to go ballet dancing. I love it.
Would you like to ballet dance tonight?
I'd love to. Hit the ballet dancing music! Woo! He's good.
It's very good.
Thank you. Thank you. Hang on now.
What?
I just remembered.
What's that, David?
I got another hobby.
Do you know what it is?
I dread to think. What's his other hobby?
I don't know his other hobby. Ask him.
What's your other hobby, David? Striptease.
Get your kiss on.
I think we should hear the music. Hit the music, David. Hit the music. Here we go. Nice and sexy. Yeah. He's good.
It's good, isn't it?
He's very good. Oh. As you can see, yes, I am hot to trot. Yeah. Simon, Simon. Feel free. Come on, Simon. Oh, yeah. Help me. Help me. This is good, isn't it, Simon? Oh, yeah. Amazing.
Ladies and gentlemen, David Williams. What do you reckon, David?
You got a yes from me?
And Amanda?
You got a yes from me too!
Everyone's David and Amanda. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you.